We are at day 7 and today's theme is lean torso. Our torso reflects our posture. In today's video, I'll show you a variety of dynamic movements that will help us with spinal alignment, upper body organization, and core connection to help us restore good posture over time. Articulating your spine down vertebra by vertebra. Remember to keep both sit bones equally on the ground. You can always sit up on 1 or 2 yoga blocks if need be. To have lean torso, we need to do these movements standing up straight, especially keeping our spine upright. Open up your underarm areas as you bring your arms up. Try to keep both elbows as straight as you can. Try to keep your body at the same level, preventing it from bobbing up and down. Reach your arm and your spine diagonally forward. Pulse in very small range only. You can do this very slowly. Move through the full range of your shoulder joints. Do this slowly to make sure you are able to keep your balance. Try to keep your weight at the center. You can lift your leg off the ground just a little bit. There is no need to lift it off very high. Important thing to remember is you're not doing it from the lower back. Twist and rotate the torso as much as you can. That is all for day 7, and we are wrapping up this series, Posture Care for Age over 40s. Actually, it doesn't really matter what age you are because the movements shown actually are suitable for all ages. It's low impact and it's very, very good in releasing all the tight joints in our spine, hence help us to restore good posture in the long run. I highly recommend that you try out all the movements from day 1 to day 7. Do it consistently for about 2 to 3 months. I guarantee you, even if it's just after the first week, you will feel a big difference. And by the 3rd month, you will feel, see, and you know there is a big difference. Stay tuned to my channel because I have a lot more goodies coming up in the coming video series: lower back care, posture care, anti-aging, self-care tips and lifestyle ideas, and many more. I'm so excited about doing a variety of content, all for the benefit of all of us to move and take better care of ourselves. So leave me a comment in the section below. Any questions, any suggestions, feedback that you may have, I'd love to hear from you. Else, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video series.